What's up, dear traders? Hello, dear investors. How is everybody doing today? My name is Angie. I'm a financial analyst here with Olymp Trade. We met with you yesterday and we discussed some of my trading ideas. Today's Tuesday, October the 12th, and we're going to go over the results and look at some more potential trading ideas and trading signals. So once again, I just want to remind you that during the week we are going to I'm going to come out live with you and give you my trading ideas and possible potential trading signals. The trading signals are going to be intraday. They are going to be for the upcoming several hours. So I do want to mention that I'll be coming out live every day between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. UTC, which is from 2 to 4 p.m. GMT plus 3. Alrighty, my friends, I do see your hellos in chat, so I'm not gonna go ahead and I'm not even going to ask if everything is okay with the sound in the picture. The only thing I want to mention is that there is a time frame of those 2 hours where we'll be going live, and they are going to be different from time to time. So you do want to make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Of course, give this video a thumbs up and ring on the notification bell so that you don't miss these streams, these live webinars and our video releases and so forth as well. And likewise, I do want to remind you that you don't want to miss the action on our social networks, my friends. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So we discussed three pairs yesterday. We discussed the NZD-JPY, which I have on the price chart with us right now. We can just go ahead and switch to NZD-JPY. To the fixed time trading mode. This trade, I'm looking at the hourly time frame right now. This is NZD-JPY. We were discussing the trade around right here. So we met around 2 p.m. We did my trades that we had in place, that I had in place for about 4 hours. They did go through. And if you were watching the stream with me and if you entered the down trade for about 1 hour or 2 hours, you could have still gotten in on the trade. I did try to get in a little bit more right here. I thought it was another retest. I traded down. Unfortunately, we did have a breakout to the top side. And look how amazing this happens. We had a breakout, kind of struggled, and stuff like that. And then we had another breakout. Now the price is using actually this level of resistance as support, so a retest. Unfortunately, right now, I don't see any trading opportunities. I'm going to be looking at the higher time frame of 1 hour, and then we'll switch to the 15-minute time frame to actually enter some trades. So let's see here. Let me just switch. You see, the price is it's really not moving for me. It's just even on the 15-minute time frame, there's just at the time there's very little time movement. What I would like to do, my opinion, I would like to trade up from this level of support. Okay, so you can still monitor this situation. It's really interesting because, as you can see, let me see if I can just drag this up right here. So the price is actually breaking this level of resistance as well. So we have, this is a potentially interesting pair to watch, but we do want to trade up from support. Well, I was saying up from this support. Let me see, this is a 15-minute time frame. It's a very iffy situation, my friends. This is just not something that I would like to enter a trade for right now, but just remember that NZD-JPY, keep watching. It's an interesting story. So the next one that we spoke about yesterday was Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Let's take a peek here. So this is the 15-minute time frame. I made a very foolish mistake right here. I tried to trade up from this level of support, and we had a breakout. Let me just switch to a higher time frame so we can see what's going on. So these are the levels that we discussed yesterday. We had a downtrend. We have a downtrend. The price did try to break out here. We're using this strong level as support, and as a reminder, I had to switch to like a really higher time frame. Let me switch to the daily time frame. Okay, so we're breaking. Let me just zoom in. We're breaking this level right here, this bottom of the two lines. The next level of support that I see would be on the bottom right here. See, that was that we saw in February of 2020. So back to here, and as you can see on the daily chart, it's just red across. So what I'm seeing here is that the price is trying to potentially break this level of support, my friends. It's ideal for the price to close below the level. I mean, it did for a retest. I know it's a iffy situation. Once again, I did want to attempt to enter this trade actually on a Forex platform. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and switch to Forex. Let's see, EuroCAD. And what we are going to do is we're going to enter a downtrend. A down trade. I'm going to go ahead and use like $200 and I'm going to enter a down trade. And let's go ahead and minimize our losses by setting a stop loss. By the way, on NZD JPY, I also had a few FTT trades, but I also had some Forex trades, and whenever I should have closed them much earlier, but unfortunately, whenever when we had a breakout, I did close and stop out, my friends. You know, but it does happen, and one of the things that you do have to understand while you're trading. So basically, yesterday I did go a little bit in the minus, but not that much because it goes both ways. So losses are a part of trading, so as long as you realize that, as long as you don't take it close to heart, you don't panic, everything's going to be fine, my friends. Fine. Now let me see here. That's minus $32. Let me just check right here. So my stop loss is going to be minus $55. My take profit, let's see, my oscillators are in the way. Just a moment here. I'm going to set it for here for now. That was the level that we identified. I mean, that's kind of probably a little bit greedy. What I should do is I should probably aim for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So if my stop loss is minus $55, so my take profit should be around, $150, $160. Go ahead and see if I can adjust that one more time. Give me 1 second. Switch a little higher. There we go. Alrighty, so EuroCAD, basically what I did was I entered a trade on Forex. I minimized my losses, and that's the picture here. Alrighty, so the next pair that we discussed was Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Here we actually had a breakout. Let me see here. We were looking at the hour time frame, and I told you that you can trade in this channel right here, and we had a breakout. We had a breakout, and the doji came for a retest. I mean, kind of technically, I was looking at this picture, so you should take the latest prices with more importance. But if you can see, if I can drag this down to accompany this peak right here, it looks like the doji touched, and then we had a breakout. So it can be, it can go both ways. Or this candle had a breakout and then the doji came for a retest and now we're going down. So this is another interesting situation. So we did have a breakout. The next level of support that I see is in this vicinity. Let's see here. Or actually even higher. Do you guys see this right here? So whenever we're building our levels of support and resistance. So this is the minimum that was right here. But as you can see right here, the price also met a level of support. Bam, bam. So if we go back to the price chart right now, it does look like the price once again is breaking this level and coming back for a retest. It does look like it's more to the downside. Give me a second. I'm thinking, my friends. When I look at these signals and when I come out with you, the picture changes slightly, because the time does go by. I mean, what can I tell you? We should trade up from support, down from resistance. Well, we spoke about this already. So we did have a breakout. The price is going to struggle here a little bit. Is it going to go up? I don't see the signals on our oscillators, unfortunately. Let me look at a higher time frame. Or how about a lower time frame? I know you guys asked me yesterday to trade on some lower time frames, like the 5-minute time frames and stuff like that. Once I go through these so Euro NZD, I'm sorry, this was not one of the ones that I was going to trade with you right now. We kind of missed this. We could have gotten in on the trade right here on the lower time frames, but right now, unfortunately, I don't see a signal. Right now we're following up on yesterday's trades. Let me just go ahead and show you what, before the trades go away from me. So Euro US dollar. On the hour time frame, I just want to show you right now, is that we're moving in this kind of like a wedge. The price is we had a big downtrend right here. Okay, this trend line. We did meet a level of support. Okay, so on the hourly time frame, we see that the level is at a level of support. It's trying to break this trend line up. It's been trying to break it several times. And on the 15-minute time frame, I do see a signal on two of the oscillators out of the three. The RSI is also bouncing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame, and I'm on Forex. Let me go to FTT. Alrighty, so I'm going for 45 minutes, my friends. Time frame times 3, Euro US dollar. I'm trading up. Okay, $200. Oh, look at that. I completed my daily task. Got some XP points. XP points are good. Open 3 trades of no less than $30 each. That's for today. Alrighty, so we'll take a look at that. The next pair that I wanted to show you is GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Similar situation, my friends. I want to show you on the larger time frame. Actually, on a much larger time frame, I want to show you that we've reached a strong level of support, which actually acted as resistance previously. Okay, and once again, this is the daily time frame. So whenever you look at a confirmation on a higher time frame, is when it serves as an additional confirmation. So basically, this was the point that I was looking at a few minutes ago when I was coming out live with you. So once again, this is another situation where we met support, and I'm confident in attempting to trade up $200 for 45 minutes. Okay, so that's GBP AUD and Euro AUD. We're looking at the 15-minute time frame, trading up for 15 minutes. And basically, the last pair that I wanted to tell you about was the Euro CAD. And that is on Forex. So look at that. It's just not. Well, my stop loss is still far off. Okay, so this is the 15-minute time frame. Let's switch to a higher time frame. Well, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe this level was not breached. I'm going to watch it, and if it's steadily rising, basically what I'll do is I'll probably just close this trade. So Euro US dollar, so far so good. GBP AUD needs a little time for action. Alrighty, my friends, I thank you so much for tuning in today. So today we are trading GBP AUD, Euro US dollar, and Euro CAD on Forex. Tomorrow, meet me between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. UTC, and we're going to go over these trades, and likewise we are going to look for some more trades. My friends, if you have some trading ideas, if you want me to show you something, if you want me to select a certain time frame, go ahead and leave your requests, your comments, your thoughts, and opinions in the comments section below this video. Once again, I want to remind you to please make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on these streams, webinars, and so forth. And likewise, don't forget to visit our social networks. Once again, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Angie, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.